Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Today I'm sharing my Allure beauty box for the month of April, and I'm really excited about this box. So let's get to it and see what we got in here. Okay, friends, first of all, I want to thank you for being here. I appreciate your support. If you want to support my channel, you can do so by hitting the like button, subscribe, leave me a comment. All those things are appreciated so much, so thank you for that. And so let's open this up and see what we got. Okay, so here we go. I've got the pamphlet, and then here's a little sneak peek. It's heavy. It's got a lot of things in it. So this month, the theme is Spring It On. So it's a springy box, and I'm just gonna get in here and show you what we got. Now, Allure is doing a few things different. I heard, I didn't read about it before this video. I should have, but I heard their prices are going up for people who are already. I think it's for new people. I think people who are already on it can keep the same price or something. I don't know. I shouldn't even mentioned it. I don't have all the information, but I do know I pay annual for it. So I actually pay about $17 a box, but they're normally $25 a box. You can get $10 off your first box. If you're interested in trying out the Allure Beauty Box, I do have a link below that you can get $10 off your first box. So there's that. And anyway, so that's a little bit about the Allure Beauty Box. You usually get anywhere from 5 to sometimes up to 7 items, usually 5 or 6 items. They'll give you maybe 3 or 4, anywhere from, well, I should say 2 to 4 full size. This one's full of full size. So this one's kind of an exciting box. The values are always top notch. So this box is probably the most valuable box I ever receive because there's really high end value in here. And they're all, Allure approved, which Allure has a very good reputation for knowing good products. So anyway, there's that. I think there's a couple other things I want to mention about Allure because it's usually always mostly just all skincare. But lately they've been doing, I have a feeling that this is going to be kind of a monthly thing where they have something called Member's Choice. So they have one item that you can pick, or it's usually a shade or something that you pick. And then they are starting to add 1 or 2 makeup products in their boxes. So at least one. It used to be sometimes you'd never get a makeup product. So now I think they're trying to throw in a makeup product every month. So that keeps it I love the boxes that have a little bit of everything. So anyway, that's a little bit about Allure. I know you're excited to see what we have in here, and I'm excited to share. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you what the Member's Choice was this month. And this is the YSL Candy Glaze Lip Gloss Stick right there in, the one I got is Nude Pleasure, I believe. But they came in Beige Blish, Scenic Brown, Showcasing Nude, or Nude Pleasure. I had one of these too, in more a pinky type color. So I really liked the nude choices. This is what it looks like. It's a very cute little lip container. It feels heavy, feels good. It's like this, a balm, and I'm just gonna do it on my hand here. It's actually darker than I thought it would be. There we go. It says, I don't know if it's as dark on the lips. It says you can, layer to get the look you want. I just filmed a BoxyCharm, and I have Tower 28. It's a hybrid between a lip gloss and a lip balm. But anyway, I have that on right now. I don't really want to take it off, but I might just go over this. Similar colors. To be honest with you, it feels real similar to the Tower 28 that I got. But anyway, YSL product, very good product. I think the value on this is, okay, the value on this is $42. Okay, so there's that. The next thing I have that I'm pulling out is, this is the Rhodile. It's the vitamin C papaya enzyme scrub. I'm actually really excited about this. So it is an exfoliant, and I just ran out of the one I was using in my shower, so I'll probably put this in there. This is a Rhodile, has great products. I like this. I love the package. I think the vitamin C, I don't know, just everything about it. At this time of year, especially, but anytime, it's kind of nice to we get our vitamin C in. And so it, anyway, you just gently massage it over damp skin, and then you let it sit for about a minute or two, and then take it off. So this is actually valued at $50, and it is a full size. So anyway, I'm excited about that product. So the next product we have here is from Sachajuan, and it is a hair care product, and it is full size. Once again, this is valued at $39. So I don't think I've tried their hair products. I'm not sure. I probably have. I might have a couple of their hair products. I just don't remember trying them or using them. But I'm definitely going to try this. Let's see if it's sealed. It's sealed, so I'm not going to open it yet. But anyway, so I know that's a good product. It's kind of a pricey hair product. So anyway, there's that. So the next thing we got here is another makeup item, which I consider this kind of a makeup item, but it's a balm. It's for your lips. But anyway, this, we got a palette, and it's from Beauty for Certain. And this palette is valued at $39. And it says Playa to Palazzo, whatever that means. It shows the colors on the side. Here's this. So let's open this up and see what this is about. So I got a couple of eyeshadow palettes in my BoxyCharm. So I'm using those. And I'm using Natasha Denona and another, I think it's Beauty for Certain eyeshadow. Trouble getting this open. Let me see if I can get some help here with something. Okay. Oh, this is Beauty for Certain. I don't know why. Okay. It was another one that I got from BoxyCharm. Okay, let's open this up. It's kind of a plastic container. I mean, it's not bad, but... And I hate these that they just make them hard to open. Of course, I have nails. It doesn't help. There we go. Okay, this is beautiful. It's a beautiful, like, everyday type. Look at that. I think that is wonderful. I would use all these colors. I really like the 3 lighter colors. They're kind of necessities for me to mix with my darker colors. So anyway, I'm really happy with that. So to get a nice little eyeshadow palette, $29 for a 5 shadow palette. I'm sure it's a good formula. In fact, I don't know. Do you guys want me to try it on? Try it here. I kind of... Okay, there's the first 3. The third one here is kind of a shimmer. The other 2 on my skin don't really show up. I guess they do there. And then I got that, and Whoops, I didn't want to do that. Okay. This one's not showing up a lot, but there's the 2 darker. So there's the 5 colors right there. Anyway, so happy about that. So Allure's killing it, man. This box is wonderful. And so the next thing I have in here is a toner. This is from, let's see, this is from Skin & Company Truffle Therapy Toner. Witch hazel toners have made a comeback in recent years, and they've gotten a big time upgrade. So it says this formula is purifying, helps reduce redness, has antioxidant, and a formula helps keep skin calm and pores clear. So anyway, there's that. I like toners, so I'm kind of excited about that. Nice little size. It is not a full size. It's probably about 36%, I think I figured, of what a full size is, but full size is $27. So anyway, the last item I have in here is from Innisfree. I'm starting to see more of this product. I just got some sunscreen in, or I just got some sunscreen from this brand. I know it's a pretty good brand. This has a value of $28 for the full size. This is only 15 milliliters. The other is 70. So it's just small, but this one is, you can either get 2 different ones. This is the Cherry Blossom Glow Jelly Cream. I think the other one was a, let's see, there was a green tea seed hyaluronic cream too. So I got the jelly cream. I'm kind of excited I got this one. I like cherry blossoms, but anyway, this is sealed too, but it's a cute little tube. So a cute little product. I'm not too mad about that. So there's that. And so let's review what we got here. So I got my little box here, and let's say we got the Szechuan hairstyling. So this is a really good variety box because, you know, it has hair and a little bit of everything. We got the Rhodial Vitamin C. This is an exfoliator. Super excited about this. Love this box, you guys. This box is so great. So there's that. We got the toner from Truffle. What is this? The Truffle toner from Skin & Company. So there's that. And we got the YSL lip balm. So there's that. And we got the Beauty for Certain eyeshadow palette. Yay. That was fun. And then we got the Innisfree jelly face jelly cream. So I got that. So that's my last thing. And so there we go. There's our box. So yay to Allure this month. I think they killed it. So let me know what you think. Is it a box to get? Are you interested in it? I definitely think this is one of the best value beauty boxes you will get. Not every month is perfect or great. That's the way beauty boxes are. Some months you like better than other months. But with Allure, you always are getting your value, and they do have high-end good products. And a lot of times you get these full-size products, which is great. So anyway, that's it. So thank you, Allure. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And I appreciate you guys being here so much. So thank you for your support. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends? Bye-bye.